Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Maths is Fun. Today is my second lecture. Lecture named is complex number. Now what is complex number? A number which contains the real and the imaginary part. Z is a complex number. Here x is a real number, while the number with iota is the imaginary number. It can also be written as x comma y. Okay, let's move towards a question. 2 plus 3 iota. How we can draw it? 2 is drawn on the x-axis. Real number is drawn on the x-axis, while imaginary number is drawn on y-axis. So on an x-axis we have the 2 and y-axis we have 3 and 2. This is 2 comma 3. This is the angle. This is r. How we can calculate the r and theta? It is calculated by using the conversion of rectangular into polar coordinates. Simple r is calculated using under root x square plus y square. If we have 2 square and 3 square, it will become 4 plus 9, it become 13, under root 13. An angle can be found by using theta is equals to tan inverse y upon x. So y is 3 and x is 2. We can simply calculate it by putting the values in the calculator. Now moving towards the two important concepts, which is modulus and conjugate. An equation, let's suppose there is a 3 plus 2 iota. If we want to calculate the modulus, we can simply basically this is the sign of the modulus. We can put under root real square and imaginary square. 9 plus 4 under root 13. This is called the modulus. While for the conjugate, we can simply change the sign of the imaginary value. This is the sign of the conjugate, and simply we change the sign of the imaginary value. Here it's plus, so we can put it minus. Or let's suppose a question in which we have minus 3 iota, then the conjugate will be positive. Now we will look on the 4 important operations: subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Let's take two numbers. Z1 is 3 plus 4 iota and Z2 is 3 minus 4 iota, and we will start performing from addition. If we want to add a two complex number, which is so simple, write the two numbers, add their real numbers each other and the imaginary number with each other. We will get 6 plus 0 iota, or we can write it 6 comma 0. So addition is simple. We can add the two numbers, two real numbers and two imaginary numbers. Second is subtraction. Z1 minus Z2. 3 plus 4 iota minus 3 minus 4 iota. 3 cancel and it's become 8 iota. So it can be written as 0 comma 8. Now we will move towards multiplication and division. Our third topic is multiplication. Now z1 dot z2. 3 plus 4 iota multiplied with 3 minus 4 iota. We can first multiply 3 with this bracket, then in the next step we multiply 4 iota with this same bracket. It will become 9 minus 12 iota plus 12 iota minus 16 iota is 12. 12 iota will cancel each other. Then we'll put the value of iota square, which is minus 1, 9 plus 16, which is 25. This can also be solved with another method. Here in this equation we have a plus b and a minus b. We have the formula a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, which is simple 3 square minus 4 iota square. 9 minus 16 iota square. Now put the value of iota square, which is 9 minus 1, so it will become 25. Now we will move towards the fourth operation, which is division. Let's take an example. We want to divide a two number. Z is 3 minus 4 iota and Z2 is 3 plus 4 iota. How we can solve it? We can simply multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of this term, denominator, will be 3 minus 4 iota. We will multiply and divide with it. The numerator term will become 3 minus 4 iota whole square, while here a square minus b square. We will open the formula. 9 minus a square minus 2a b plus b square. 9 minus 16 iota square. 24 iota plus 16 iota square. This will become 9 minus 24 iota minus 16 and 9 plus 25. It will become minus 7 minus 24 iota upon 25. Simple. 9 minus 16 will become minus 7 and minus 25. 4 iota. Then how we will write it? My real part is separated and imaginary part is separated. This is the answer. It can be written as minus 7 upon 25 comma minus 24 upon 25. Thank you watching my second video. Hope you like it. Thanks.